Welcome to My Assignment Help, your ultimate academic companion. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to easily download the solutions you've requested through your dashboard. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and head over to MyAssignmentHelp.com, where you can find a wide range of educational resources, expert guidance, and support tailored to assist you with your academic assignments and projects. Now click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. You can log in using your preferred method, whether it's by logging in with your Google account, your email and password, or even through an OTP sent to your mobile phone for added security. If you prefer, you can also use your Apple or Facebook account to log in quickly. I'm continuing with the login with email and password. Now enter your credentials, including your username and password, and click Login. And if you've forgotten your password, no worries. We've created a detailed video to help you reset it. Check the link in the description below for step-by-step instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. Here, you'll see all your active and completed orders. Each order will have a status indicating whether your solution is ready for download. Now click on your completed order. Just click Download, and you'll see a Download Solution button next to it. Click on this button, and your solution will be downloaded instantly to your device. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your assignment solution. If you need any help along the way or have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Thanks for watching.